Hello everybody, today we're going to be taking the Subaru Baja with a broken grille and making a nice custom mesh grille out of it. The methodology here that we're going to be using today should be applicable to different makes and models. Inspect your grille first and make sure this method will work before you start cutting. First up, you're going to want to remove any bolts, clips, or screws that hold in your grille. What we're going to use next is a cutting wheel. We're going to cut out the excess parts of the grille that we won't need. In this case, we're just going to be using the chrome surround and the mounting brackets that are attached to it. Considering this design is a mesh grille, you will be able to see through it, so keep that in mind when deciding how much of the old grille you want to keep attached. Depending on how much of a clean look you're going for, once you're done cutting, use a Dremel tool or sandpaper to give a cleaner edge. The next step we're going to take is laying the mesh over the grille surround. Before we cut the mesh to its desired shape, we're going to outline it with painter's tape to ensure it's going to fit correctly. Go ahead and use painter's tape to outline your tabs. These tabs are going to be used to attach the mesh to the grille surround. Once you're done cutting the mesh, remove the painter's tape and lay the mesh on the grille surround. You want to check now for correct fit before we move any further. Flip the mesh in the grille surround so the front is facing downwards. We are now going to bend these tabs over the grille surround and attach them with epoxy to hold the mesh in place. Once that is completed, you should have a finished product that looks like this. Go ahead and install your new custom grille back into your vehicle. I hope this was helpful. Enjoy!